Right, this stuff here, yeah, here's the stuff that the doctor gave us for our 7-week-old baby, yeah. Right, look, watch. See the spoon? Lighter? Yeah, nothing. Watch this. We have to put this on my son's face. Do you think it's a good idea? No.